Rijntje en Boukje. Korallen. A broken wire. Belle, Blomke en Sally. Oké. Oeps. Reisi en Yveske. Well, I go there. Okay, pallets, and I go there. Oh no, Yveske was just lying down. Then she was standing. Now she's lying down again. Oh, I hate it. Hey, het is er gebeurd. What happened? How? Zet je hem die in? Huh? Nou, hoe kom je hem daar nou? Kom maar. Nou. Waar? Kom. They were here too? Where? Oh. They were here. I really don't know what happened. And I think last night they walked there. There's a dam. They can walk over that. But I think I never get them there right now. Belle, Korallen. Oh. Maybe we can try. Come. Okay, because they are working on the road, I don't go there with all the horses. I go that way. We have a gate there, also a fence. And Matilda is coming to help. There she is. These three are over the wire with help of Matilda. Some halters. Oh, and there's a lot of noise from the workers. Come on! Come on! We're going to bring them here. Come on, Sally! Up, 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 up! Hey, Sally. Ja, hoe komt zij hier nou? Maar ik zeg, ik helemaal geen trek of zo. Ik denk misschien is het door de veertgang of zo. Hey Blomke. Kom maar. Hey Belle. Is mooi? Kom maar. Kom. Kom maar, we helpen jou alleen maar. Kom maar. Kom maar, goed zo. Nee, kom. Nee, kom. Goed zo, kom maar. Ik doe even een touw om mijn nek, ja? Kom maar, braaf hoor. Kom maar bellen. Nee, dat kan het. Kom maar. Ja.
Goed zo braaf, heel braaf.
Kun je nou denken? Wat handig.
Oh no.
Ik weet het even niet. Moet ik al eens toch gauw naar logeren?
Nou, dit is lachen. Korallen en bellen. Mooi, wat extra hulp. Waar is Mathilde? Oh, daar. Hey, bellen. Oh. Oh, sorry. Okay, tonight I think they did go through this wire, walked that way, and Sally, Blomke and Bella walked to that pasture, and Matilda and I did bring them on the road there, and we want to go through that fence. So I wanted to open the fence, and then Bella thought, hey, I can walk through that water. That's how it happened. Sally en Blomke. En Rijntje en Boukje. Oh no. Mathilde zei, oh, mijn ponies ben ik ontsnapt. Oeps. Oeps. Eerst even stek zetten. Okay, there's the wire. And I think the horses walk through here. And yes, there are hoof prints. Bibi is er even op uit. Want de oren binnen daar.
En Joeke. Goed zo, ging wel even om, beste baas. Goed zo, baas. Ik op skiddelen gewoon.
Zo leuk, kinders. Kom op, Puk. Hey. Kom maar. Yes. Dat is 2. Bibi? Kom! Oh, ik zou steeds bij Hessen.
Zo, en hoe?
En hoe? Zo leuk!
Nou vind ik het leer mooi.
Ja, nou ga ik even in de tuin zitten. Nee, dat doen we net. Zo ben wij net. Doei! Kom! Kom maar! Hop, hop, hop! Kom maar! Belle, Karalle, Sally, Rijntje, Boukje en Blomke. Belle. Sally. First I wanted to ride Sally, but I thought I better can lunch because today is not a normal day. And this morning the horses broke to the wire, and that takes a lot of time. So I thought if I'm going to lunch, I have some extra time. But yeah, a lot happened today, and it's only 2 o'clock. So, and how can I? That's okay. And that's always the problem. Every day there's so much going on, and when I make a video, sometimes one day is in 3-4 videos, and that's how I always run far behind. So maybe you know something. Misschien heb je een idee hoe ik de video's kwatter krijg of dat er minder gebeurt. Maar I don't know. And I'm now editing videos where Sally is much more skinny. So I'm very happy she's going better now. Goed zo, Sally. Bravo. Goed zo, Sally. And the Farrier came to do Sally and Yveske and Rijntje and Belle, he did. And I didn't film a lot, and that's because Jan Wietse and I know each other for 25 years, I think. We then worked together, so we always have to talk a lot. So if I film and we talk a lot, it's not nice. So it's always nice to see him again. Oh my. Oh, Sally. Goed zo, braaf. Oh, maar braaf. And my lunching line is still a bit wet because of Belle's ditch adventure. Oops. I walk here to make a wire here, and here are a lot of clovers. So I thought maybe there's a 4-leaf clover. So there is one. 2, 3. 4. 4, that's it. I think so. So 4 4-leaf clovers. 4 4 4 4. Oh, and my hands are dirty from the ditch. Okay, now I'm walking here with the wire, and I thought maybe here are some too. And yes, here's another one. Coralle and Belle. Treintje. En Boukje. Blomke en Sally. Kom maar. Sally? Treintje? Hallo? Well, this is the first time they are here. Well, for Boukje it's the second time, because she was born in this field. But this morning Mathilde and I made a wire all around the pasture. So also all the way there. There. Reintje. Coralle. Boukje. Sally. Belle. And last but not least, Blomke. Boukje. Charming. Reisi and Yveske, and I want them to go there. Okay, I have to help. Yeah, that's Sully's. I have to clean it. But Actually, I want them to do with the mares and foals, but I'm all alone. And if there's something is happening, nobody is here to help me. So they can run here first. And maybe tomorrow I do them all together. Because that's my plan. But if I'm all alone, I'm not sure it's wise to do it. Rijntje en Boukje, Sally, Blomke, Belle en Coralle. Whoa, that's far away. But here I'm going to make it safer. So they can't go there, and also on that side, so they can't go there. Well, I hope this helps. And here's a lot going on. There's the highway and an aqueduct. And there are a lot of problems with that aqueduct. It's the road under the water. And that road is coming up. So they are here working for a year now, I think. 1.5. And yeah, they are always busy with it. Next. And here is the wire. So hopefully they don't get through.